Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making smothered steak and onions. You will need 1.5 pounds of thin-cut ribeye steak, 3 cups of beef broth, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of butter, 1/2 cup of red wine, 1.5 tablespoons of canola oil, 1 small onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of salt. In a small bowl, combine your pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Now add the salt and paprika, then mix until well combined. Now generously season your steaks on both sides with the seasoning mixture. Add your oil to the pan and using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature. Now add your steaks and allow them to cook for 3 minutes on each side. After 6 minutes, remove your steaks from the skillet and set them aside till later. Now melt your butter. Add the onions and saute for 3 minutes. Now add the garlic and continue to saute for an additional minute. Add your flour and continue stirring until it has turned a golden brown. Now pour in your wine and beef broth, then bring your liquid to a light simmer. You can find more great recipes in my cookbook, The Best of Soul Food Cooking. See the description below for more information. Return your steaks to the skillet, cover, and allow them to cook for 1.5 hours. This steak is delicious and tender, and I really hope you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps making